Cap 26 here, just pairs and hobbies. And we're going to open up this box. I think I'm going to open up this box. Let's see if we're going to open it. Packing in here. Oh, it's a Puma. Wow. Cool. So it's one sharp object. The SGB. German steel manufacturer. Cutlery steel. You ready? Let's open it up. Another little thing here. Wow. Look at that. That's nice. It's got a Puma sticker in there too. Cool. That looks nice. It's in a bag. Wanted one of these for a very long time. I had a little one. I don't know where it went. Somewhere in my knife collection. Feel this. Feels like bone. I don't know if it is. Let's get a measuring tape. And the handle's 5 inches. And the blade is about 3.5, 3 3/4. Okay. There's a close-up of the blade. It says Rockwell tested on this side. I'm gonna open this. Let's see how it does cutting this open. Oh, pretty sharp. As I remember, Pumas were very sharp. Wow, look at that. Very sharp. That's a double-sided envelope. Very sharp. Okay. Got a jibbing here. Right there. Grip. I like it. Get the Puma symbol right there. And it's got a lanyard hole right here. I'm going to put a lanyard through it. Brassing in here is good. The fit is good. Fit here is good. Closes nicely. I'm going to put the link in the description below. I got this on Amazon. And if you want to get one, you can get one. Put this off to the side here. I think I'm going to display this on my guns. My pellet guns, actually. I don't have guns. No guns here. Not at all. Like that. I'll put it by my display. Display it like that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers, and with your help, I can do it. And I'll put the link down in the description for this. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Thumbs up.